Hey guys, Tech Timmy here. So today I am going to be doing what is a very simple unboxing and maybe even installation if we can figure it out of this cool stand for the Amazon Echo Show 8. I bought the stand, the same stand for both of my kids. I bought them an Echo Show 8 and I bought them the stand to go with it for Christmas this past year. And it looked really cool. And I bought myself the Echo Show 8 at Prime Day this past year, but I was too cheap to pick up the stand and I just recently got it. And yeah, we're gonna add the stand just today. It's been a few months, but I figured I'd just do a quick video taking it out of the box. So the stand itself is obviously very bare bones packaging that came in with this. It's from a company called, not sure if you can see it, but a little bit of glare from the sun coming in here, sorry. For a company called VMEI is the manufacturer of the stand, and it is sort of a stainless steel looking, well, let's just take it out of the box and make sure we did get the stainless steel one, in fact. Yeah, so it's stainless steel looking, you know, sort of modern looking stand that is, and it is steel. It's definitely a cut above the plastic ones that that I've seen, you know, here and there on Amazon. And it does actually have a swivel to it. I don't know if you can see, but I'm swiveling the stand a little bit so you can, you know, basically position your show the way that you want. And my understanding is that this is magnetic. I think it's magnetic, so it should be relatively easy to get this installed on my trusty Echo Show 8 here. So let's go. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can't do that for you. But again, just a very simple unboxing video to show you the stand. Relatively inexpensive. I can't recall the actual price that I paid, but it was definitely less than, I wanna say maybe right in around 20 bucks, 15 bucks. I can't remember what I paid, but yeah, so let's just see if I can't. And then, so the bottom of the show has a little space here that aligns with what's here. And I think the long, I'm guessing, if I had to guess, I would say you want the long side in the front probably. And wow, yeah, so it does definitely have a magnetic feel to it. In fact, you can just see I barely even, yeah, so it has a magnetic feel to it. And the show just sits in there, and it's actually pretty snug. So I'm not really trying to pull it off. I certainly could if I wanted to, but it's as easy as that to install the thing, which I love, I think is great. And you do want the long side of the stand on the front, just, you know, and then you can tilt it. That's got some nice tilt to it if you really just want to kind of look down on it or whatever. And I have mine beside my bed, so that I think is going to come in handy. If I'm, you know, I have it on a bedside table, it's a little low to the ground. So if I'm standing up and I want to see that there's an excessive heat warning like we have here in Massachusetts tonight, you can actually see it relatively easily. But it does have that sort of really nice tilt feature. My understanding, I believe it does. So it also rotates. So you can rotate it like that if you want to, you know, see your alarms or whatever beside your bed. And I suppose it would be that way right now because, yeah, so it has that nice sort of, you know, it's got a tilt and rotate capability to it. The thing that I like the most about these stands is that they tend to make the Echo Show sound even better when you raise it off the ground a little bit. So that's definitely an added bonus of picking up one of these stands. And then it just looks more slick, I think. Overall, it makes it look like a complete product. And I don't know, so I'm stoked about this. I also bought one for my Echo Show, a similar stand for my Echo Show 2nd generation. And I will, quote unquote, show that next in a separate unboxing video for you guys if you also have the show 2nd generation. But yeah, I think overall it just gives it sort of a little bit more of an elegant, refined appearance, and then you have the sort of practicality of being able to tilt and rotate. So that's it for this video. Again, very short unboxing video, but if you got any value from this, if you found it helpful in the least, if you wouldn't mind giving the thumbs up button or the like button a click, I would appreciate it greatly. It helps out my channel a lot. And then if you are into smart home technology that has to do with Amazon Echo and or just smart home tech in general, consider subscribing to my channel if you would. I'd appreciate it. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.